Hi, I had heard about feedback before, but feedback as a culture I heard only after joining Novo Nordisk. Initially, even I was a little skeptical why there is so much focus on feedback. But later, when I started reflecting upon myself, I understood that it's a gift. See, if you see any living organism, there is positive feedback and negative feedback mechanism. Positive feedback is when you want to amplify certain things, and negative feedback is when you want to decrease certain things, and then only it attains homeostasis. If that mechanism is destroyed or if it's not functioning properly, then one will end up in disease. Similarly, in external environment, what is more important is your behavior and the personality and other competencies. So feedback is the one which will reveal truth, right? When you ask your manager or your colleagues or even your family or friends if for a feedback, and if it is well received and acted upon, that's a gift. Then you can increase your competencies. I would like to end up this talk with a small analogy. If you see, an average player wants to be left alone. A good player wants to be coached, but a great player wants to be told truth. So what is your truth? Please find out.
Feedback is a key for improvement. It's just like a mirror which reflects us on our behavior and performance in terms of what is going good and what has to be improved. Fortunately, Novo Nordisk has a great culture of giving and receiving feedback, and if we all abide by it, over the course of time, I am sure we all would see an improved version of ourselves. I think improvement is a stepping stone for success. No matter how many years of experience you may have, you still have a scope of improvement.
Hi all, my name is Harmit. Ever since I was a little kid, I always used to wonder how come people get to be so good at their tasks. It may be as simple as making a breakfast for someone. But then I noticed in these people, they always used to keep asking for feedback. I know that we all have the capability to do something better and be something better than what we were yesterday, and the best way to do that is by asking for feedback. We all should be really proud of ourselves that we work for a company like Novo Nordisk, where feedback is taken so seriously. So I request everyone, go ask for feedback and make yourselves better than what we were yesterday. You are your own competitor. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anusha. I belong to Clinical Case Team 5. So I've joined Novo Nordisk in November 2018. From 2018 till today, I have understood Novo Nordisk has a rich feedback culture system, wherein which feedback given and taken in right way always helps the individual to understand better, learn more, and create a positive working environment.
I got familiarized to the term feedback here in Novo Nordisk. My first encounter with feedback was a mixed match feeling, but today as I flash back to those initial days, I realize it has prepared me to face the future, because the future is a place of potential change and opportunity. Over time, I also realized that we should get comfortable to let other people in, as the change in view will help us move forward. Giving feedback, yes, I have given a number of feedback, keeping in mind the goal, whether it is to force a change or to provoke an insight, because that challenge would lead to a choice. I believe giving feedback is also letting other people know a better view of themselves, that is, uncovering the truth. Ending it with Anne Mary's quote, feedback is a free education to excellence, seek it with sincerity and receive it with grace. Thank you.